She told me that I'm going to be very, very happy with this Beauty Loop box. I will have to see about that, I suppose. Guys, welcome to the Beauty Loop box level 3, April 2024. I haven't seen any reviews on this. I've only seen a few comments going around. People have been disappointed with the level 4 box. Actually, all I've actually seen comments on is about the level 4 box. Guys, all I can say is I am kind of, blown away. Look, I know there's all this stuff going around. You shouldn't be spending money just to get the Beauty Loop box. It's just Mecca doesn't even have to give you these little quarterly. Is it quarterly? I'm pretty sure it's quarterly. They don't have to give them to you. But they do. And then there's other people that are in other reward programs where they, do spend an amount of money and they get really good gifts. Lately, I haven't been that happy with the Mecca Beauty Loop box. Last one was a little disappointing. But, I don't know. Like I said, don't know what's in here yet. Lady at the store said I'd be quite surprised. I'd be happy with it actually. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now, comes in a little box like this and it has test and try on it. This is the level 3 and let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so we open it up here and we've got a little card. Let's see what the card says. The latest addition to your scent wardrobe, Maison Francis Kurkdjian, Paris. Is this going to be Baccarat Rouge? Which is like so popular that I tried it once and I was like, what's all the fuss about? It's just very vanilla-y. Anyway, let's just see. Scent your life with luxury. When it comes to fragrance, nobody does a modern classic like Maison Francis Kurkdjian.
Revered master perfumer Francis Kurkdjian has created iconic scents for some of the world's most coveted designers, from Lanvin
to Jean Paul Gaultier, Dior, and now you. So, hi. Bottling a unique French know-how and lifestyle, these are bold yet timeless scents made for self-expression, designed to be chosen daily to suit your mood. After hearing how fragrance obsessed our level 3 members are, and I am fragrance obsessed, I just don't really do videos on it. Am I lopsided? Anyway, I don't know. Anyway, sorry guys. Level 3 members are, the brand couldn't wait to add a hand-picked eau de parfum to your fragrance wardrobe. We hope it brings a touch of incredible smelling indulgence with every spritz. With love, Mecca Beauty Loop. And that's the card that they have provided. So these are the contents of the box. Let's see what I can see just from, I can see Drunk Elephant. I can see that's the perfume. I can see something here by Living Proof. I don't know what this is. Dermalogica, and anyway, let's just pull out the Living Proof one first. Okay, Living Proof Perfect Hair Days Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. Actually cleans hair. This is such a cute little 30ml can. And, if you're the kind of person that washes your hair once, twice a week, a dry shampoo is so handy. I've just been using what I've got up, I've been going through Batiste, I've been going through Archive, I've been going through the Oat one. Gosh, I have so many dry shampoos, it's not funny. So yeah, I have just been using them up, but it will be so nice. Oh, by the way, don't waste your money on the Amika dry shampoo from Sephora. It's a total waste. I don't even know what it's supposed to be doing because it doesn't do anything. You put it in your hair and it doesn't dry shit. So there you go. So this, oh, I nearly dropped everything. This seems like it's going to be cute. I don't want to spritz it because I just don't want to put any unnecessary dry powder on the ground. So we will be definitely trying this out. But yeah, really excited to try this. I've actually never really tried anything from Living Proof before. Oh, actually, I lie. I did receive a sample of it's like a leave-in conditioning thing for damaged hair. And yeah, so anyway, we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Next one, let's see. The perfume, Mason Francis Kurkdjian Gin Paris Rouge, Baccarat Rouge 540. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Doesn't say anything on the back. Made in France. I'm going to get it out of the packet there. Ooh. Oh wow, that is so cute. It looks like a little nail polish bottle. Let's give it a sniff. You know, the last time I smelt this was probably years and years and years ago, and I remember I worked with a fellow, and his wife was turning, I think, 30, and he was like, I have to get her this. She's, you know, and they had like one bottle left in Chatswood or something, and he was just like rushing to get it. So he ended up forking out and splurging on a full-size bottle of this thing. But let's give it a bit of a spritz. Oh, okay. Just let it whirl around a bit. You know, as soon as I smell it, I smell like flowers. You know, I suppose it needs to dry down. Like off the ball, it's just, I find like it's going to give me a headache. And it smells a bit like, what's the word that I'm looking for? Like a little bit of hospital, to be honest. With a bit of frangipani. And I don't know. Let me get back and smell it at the end of the video. At the moment, it's just kind of weird. But then again, the way I describe scents are weird. I mean, do I like it? Yeah, it's not bad, but I feel like it's going to give me a headache if I was to overspray it, maybe. Yeah, okay. Putting that one aside, I will just put it back into the little box for now, the little packet, which is very, very cute. And it is quite, it's a 5 ml, yeah, bottle of perfume. All right, next we have, what's this thing? Lip Injection Maximum Plump by Too Faced. 98% left lips looking revolumized after 1 week. Okay, there's a little insert there. I'm going to put some on. I don't like the smell. It smells like candies. It reminds me of that Prada candy scent. You know, the Prada candy? Oh, it tastes sweet. But it's a gloss, and it's called Maximum Plump. You know, I hope this is not one that burns your lips, because I'm not for that. I don't like any burning sensation. Let me just read the back. In a study of 106 women, yes, all right, left people with bigger lips, all right, yeah, all right. You'll see and feel results instantly as the advanced volumizing formula dramatically hydrates, nourishes, and visibly plumps lips intensely, immediately, and over time. Note, you may experience slight to intense tingle. Apply only within the perimeter of lips. If applied on skin, a temporary redness may occur. If any discomfort is present, remove and discontinue use. I can feel now that my lips are stinging, and I don't like that. I've never been one to enjoy the the stinging of that cinnamon capsicum type sting. I've never been a fan of it. Now let's see what's left. Dermalogica Micellar Prebiotic Pre-Cleanse. So this would be good for obviously pre-cleansing. You would put this on to probably remove your first step layer of sunscreen and initial makeup. Then you can go in with your cleanser of choice. Not sure what the ingredients are with this thing, but I think I looked at it once and there was things like orange peel in it. And I was like, no, I'm definitely not going to get something that's got orange peel in it. But, you know, I suppose it's a small sample. It doesn't hurt to try. And I have heard that it is quite good. But, ooh, the lips are really, really, really stinging now. They are stinging. And I'm going to leave it on until this video ends. So, not really a fan of the lip plumping stingers. Last but not least, we've got the Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. And this is obviously a hydrating serum that you would probably put on before your moisturizer if you're lacking hydration and needing to have a boost of hydration. Now let me read the back. It's terrible having such small writing on these things. Apply to face, neck, chest, hands, or any place needing increased hydration. Mixed with any Drunk Elephant serum, cream, or oil to lock it in. So I use the retinol Marathon oil by Drunk Elephant, and I do have their marula oil. I do have a lot of face stuff from Drunk Elephant. I do love Drunk Elephant as one of their brands. Not too fond of their eye creams though, but yeah, why not mix it in for a little bit of a boost of hydration there. And guys, that is it. That is the end of the Beauty Loop box. So overall, I am happier than I was than the last beauty box that came through, which was last year sometime. But you know, they did have a random beauty loop that was before this one during the year, and I received the Mecca face oil, which I already had. And yeah, so that was just like a one-off thing for Beauty Loop members. I know that some people also got some hair care, which you know, they got some like what do you call it, boom boom bum bum Brazilian hair shampoo and conditioner. But yeah, look, I'm not going to complain too much about this. Let me smell that perfume again now. I'm not a fan. I am so not a fan of that. I shall see if my mum likes it. Failing that, I will see if my auntie likes it. And I will, to me it smells a bit like hospital. I don't know, guys, what are your thoughts? Have you smelt the Baccarat Rouge 540? Do you rate it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would really help me out and the YouTube algorithm. But those of you guys who have recently subscribed to my channel, thank you so, so much. I love you. Really, 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 really do. And on that note, I'm going to go and take this off because it's burning my mother effing lips. Bye for now.